else. Guess so. This is the nails that I just cured. We're gonna put it on the sides. It looks really cool in person though. Why is under the camera? It looks like it looks, but anyway, I like that. And what happened? All right. So all right, that's exactly what I want. It's really stay on really well. Loving it. That's it. That's all I want. I didn't want to transfer. You can. But I just want to transfer just a little bit part of the leaves. And then I am going to add some little cute stickers because I'm going to do 3D flowers for you. But I want to get like, look, this is just all from the collection, that new ones. So definitely check this out. But I found this one is kind of a, you think it's matching good? It should be okay, huh? Not bad. Okay. And then there's so many of them. You don't have to worry about you don't have one. Just so many. It's super cute. Okay, great. So let's do that one. But before anything else, I'm going to top coat it so I won't mess it up before I move on to the can you grab me the papers in the last drawer, please? Thank you. I do live earlier, so I have help today. No web top coat. I'm curing it because we need completely, I want it's like finish the surface. So when you're doing a 4D gels, I mean 4D gel, yes, I mean for 3D flowers and sticker, it will stay really well. And if it's something has happened, I do not like it, I can definitely remove it. It will not hurting my top coat at all. So let me move that one off for the side for just a second. And we do not necessarily need alcohol for this step, but however we need it for just in case that we need to clean the dual end brush, which is on this, and I mean on this flowers I'm going to using this silicone dual end brush versus this is the Kolonsky. So we're going to use it for liquid and powder 3D flowers, but this is for our 4D gels and 5D gels. So we are going to add some butterflies. It's nice and finish. So I'm gonna add like a couple super cute butterflies here. Sorry.
It's okay. Just keep your hand wet enough.
I'm gonna pick the smaller one. Right there. Don't want too busy. I love that how I can able to doing like both transfer foils and stickers. It just make it so much fun. And also you can do other colors. You can do pink. You can do pink on it. Doesn't have to be necessary like a blue one. Super cute. All right, so let's go into this. And then if you have, after we're done with the flowers, you can definitely go in with the other colors. Super stunning. So I'm gonna get my stone. Where is have been moving to? Where am I? Like super cute stone somewhere. Yeah. I'm going to put one. There are quite a few ways to pick it. Oh, so easy. I'm so excited with these colors. Sorry, everyone, we didn't have it yet. Oh, I mean, if you don't have it yet, don't kill me. We are going to have it for you ready. And then we'll bring it back with ours is our 3rd year's anniversary, kids. Everybody thumbs up. So we're definitely was always excited, always be grateful for all of you, and we keep working hard to keep you all up to date with the trends going on right now. Look at this. What is the benefit about this? It's so flexible and it's tag free. You don't have to do anything else after you're done with this. And also, look at that, how I'm just using is really simple. You do not need alcohol to do anything with this. Alcohols only need to do to when you clean this, your 3D dual end brush. But you do not need it to control your 40 gels. Absolutely, you do not need it. And using the tips of yours brush, and you spread it, but you press really soft, just really light touch. You do not need to be really heavy handed. And then at first I make it like a bead, and then I spread it first, make it like a like croissants, and then you press it really soft. And then you're done with the one petals. And then move on to the next one. So if you want your petals and your flower to be in the same size, make sure you pick 3 beads the same size, so then that way it's going to make it really close to perfect for you. So if it's a little bit bigger, do not worry. You can able to remove a little bit. I mean, cut it off. It's not going to set until you cure. I like that a lot. It's so soft and it's so easy to work with. I don't know. You gotta explain. You have an idea with your 40 gel. Well, I mean, this is 40 gels. I mean, just different colors. It's like a rose, like a blue rose. And you can do one color. You can do two colors, 2 color tones. Just depend on how you want it. Now you see that it stick on mine, so do not worry, right? All you need to do is get your little of alcohol on your means free paper, and wipe this off. You do not need to dip it in alcohol, dampen dish and dip in alcohol. You do not need it. You just need to clean your dual end brush, which is on the silicone end. And then you can sculpting it. We did have a session doing with the 3D. We have so much fun, so check that out. If you are interested in, you can definitely go in and learn step by step from there. So if you feel like you want to flash key in each petal, absolutely you can do so. Hey Dom, how are you? Oh, Pepsi Bees. Hope you are okay. Hope he's doing better and hope he gets well soon, Pepsi Bee. All right, so let's flash key this one quick. I'm gonna put this just a second right there. All right, flash key. And then I am going to go back and get 2 of this for the smaller beads in the center. You can do just 3 petals and stop right there, or you can do is it's so awesome. I can't wait to do more design with this because there's 3 new colors. 3 new colors. These 2 can do really cool flowers together, ombre. I'm so excited. All right. Hey Dom, yes, I'm so excited. Dom, look at this, what we're having. I'm so sorry. We're like, what is new? There are so many news, but we're being really nice and not keep everybody out of the loop. We'll make sure that we keep everybody posted, up to date. This one will be available as of tomorrow for anyone who is love 3D flowers, can definitely enjoy. You can able to get it from our website tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this. Look, just a smaller beads. I might need 1 more beads, but I'm going to show you closer. Right there. And then get 1 more beads. Oh, super adorable. And you can do more. You don't have to stop at once like flowers. I mean, you can do more. A little bit big. Then just remove some. And add this one on. Can you all see me doing okay? And then press it down. It's so flexible, it's so easy, and it will not so easy for you to sculpting it, to control it. There you go.